It's prom season. You got your dress, you ordered it online, and it's ugly. Or it doesn't fit. Or you didn't have enough money to get a dress. I'm gonna show you how to make a dress out of what you have in your closet. What's up, fashionistas? I'm Ariel, aka Fashion Ari, and on this channel we do a lot of fashion and sewing. Today we're going to be working on a prom dress out of no pattern, out of what we have in our closet. A bodycon dress. I have two styles here. This green one fits me very well. I'm going to test out the black one, and we're going to be using this as our template. Or if you don't have a bodycon dress, a tank would work as well. You're just going to have to cut the fabric longer than the tank. Let's get into it, you guys. It's going to be a strapless ruched dress. We're going to achieve this with elastic. It's going to have a slit in it, and it's going to have a large mermaid train. We're going to lay our fabric on fold here, facing right sides to right sides, and we're going to lay down the bodycon dress, fold down the straps so it will be strapless, and we're going to measure the dress to our knee length, and we're going to cut it out double our knee length. So mine is 32 inches and I'm cutting it at 64 inches. We're going to take our dress right sides to right sides and do a zigzag stitch so the fabric doesn't fray. This is a cute like bodycon strapless dress. Okay. I had to celebrate for a moment there. The dress looks so cute already. But now we're going to cut the elastic at 32 inches, and this is going to help us create that ruched look. Place the elastic on your side seam and backstitch it at the top so it stays. And as you're going to move the fabric up a little bit, stretch the elastic to create this bunched up look. This is how the dress is looking so far, and I love how it's looking. Don't cut the slit. I did this and it was a huge mistake because it makes the fabric look different with this gathered look. So don't do that and just leave this how it is. You still get the same effect with the mermaid train being open. I sewed the lining off camera, but it's the same as the self. You're going to zigzag stitch it, and now you're going to connect it to the top of the self and stitch it at the top. And we're going to cut off the excess so we can top stitch. To create the mermaid train, we're going to fold the fabric the other way as I showed here. Measure the circumference of your knees, and this is going to be the measurement of the mermaid train at the top. We're going to double it by 2 and then measure from your knees to the floor length, plus add a little bit for heels, and that's going to be the length of the mermaid train. You're going to cut the mermaid train in the self fabric and the lining. Sew it right sides to right sides on the side seam and the hem to close the dress and move on to the next step. We're creating a base stitch here at the top of the mermaid train to gather this seam.
gathering the seam, you should have 2 layers of fabric. I figured out a simpler way after the video was done. That's why I don't have 2 here, but follow the step that I said previously. We are almost done. Now we just have to pin the train to the dress and sew along this seam. This is how we're going to finish the inside so it has a clean finish. The lining is going to fold over naturally about 1 inch or ½ an inch. So take that fold and pin it down over the seam that we just sewed of the mermaid train. And we're going to top stitch along this line, and there you go. I decided to do a little hand tacking at the bust area. I know you saw me do that in the mirror before. It just added a little bit more shape to the top of the dress. Please tag me if you recreate this dress. Thank you guys for joining me on this sewing journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get ready to model this.